Can I thank everybody who's been involved in this process very much indeed. Can I thank the returning officer and his staff, and indeed all the other staff who've engaged across Gwent in the other constituencies. I know I can't speak for them directly, but I'm sure they'll get this message. Can I particularly thank, in terms of my own party, Joe and Anna, who've been agent and coordinator, particularly in the case of Anna working on the social media on my behalf, and the countless other party members who supported me at the same time as they worked for the Assembly elections. Can I also thank Louise and Darren for their the contest, for their opposition, and I think all of us would agree that it's been conducted in a spirit of friendship and a concentration on the broader issues involved. As far as I'm aware, at no point did any of this contest become personal, and that of course is how it should be. Can I also thank Ian Johnson, my predecessor, or I should say the incumbent, until Wednesday, for the firm foundations that he has laid for the role of Police and Crime Commissioner for Gwent, and I look forward to an early meeting with him and his staff prior perhaps to me taking up the office on Thursday. Just a few very quick reflections on the campaign itself. I intend to press the Home Office and the UK Government very hard so that future campaigns for this position are, for example, allowed the free post facility that is awarded automatically to candidates for Parliament and the Assembly. I think the number of blank ballot papers that we've experienced today, and I know it's the same in the other constituencies, is testament to the fact that the message hasn't really got out yet to the vast number of electors, no doubt across Wales, and certainly that's something that I intend to focus on, in part at least, over the next 4 years. I intend to be an inclusive Police and Crime Commissioner. I will want to work with all sections of the community. I look forward to a good partnership arrangement with Jeff Farrell, the Chief Constable, so that the principles that I stand on, that of social justice, become the cornerstone of policing in Gwent, and are seen to be the cornerstone. Because we're in Wales, the provisions of the Wellbeing of Future Generations Act are now in force, an act I know very well because of course I introduced it to the Assembly about 18 months ago. That will set up the public service boards on a statutory basis, and although policing is not devolved, not yet at least, to the Welsh Government, the Chief and myself as the PCC will be statutory invitees to that new board, and I look forward to playing a key role in terms of delivering public services across Wales, and clearly the police is a crucial public service. So I was asked on the Twitter hustings that was organised by the South Wales Argus, one of the questions was, what will I be doing in my first 100 days? Well, certainly building those partnerships and examining current arrangements will be key to that. I'll also be considering, of course, a new police and crime plan. And certainly we'll be looking, as I've already made clear publicly, to the appointment of a deputy, but through open advertising in line with the Nolan principles. Finally, what I hope to achieve during the next few years, 4 years, is to reverse the position which was found by an opinion poll just a couple of months ago, that only 1 person in 10 across Wales knows that there is such a position as the Police and Crime Commissioner, never mind who's holding the post. That is something in a democracy that we cannot have. And I'm determined that within the next 4 years I will reverse that position and people will understand the value of this post. Thank you very much.